2017 Mini Ice Blue Cooper S Hardtop. The kit juices horsepower up to 208 horsepower. Mini devoted one line in the middle of its SEMA press release to the limited edition Ice Blue Cooper S Hardtop on show at SEMA. We'll give it a few more lines. The Ice Blue Hue hasn't been available since 2013, and Mini's being coy about how long the color will hang around. Available on two-door Cooper models, the Ice Blue package adds optional features beyond color, like custom wheel caps and Mini Connected, and adds a few $1,000s to the MSRP depending on which Cooper you start with. Ready for the big Mini news? The John Cooper Works tuning kit will soon be available for Cooper S and Cooper S All 4 Countryman and Clubman. Before now, the kit could only be had for the Cooper S Hardtop and convertible. The kit juices horsepower up to 208 horsepower from 189 horsepower, and throws in another 14 pound-feet of torque to top out at 221 pounds-to-foot. The stainless steel exhaust reduces exhaust gas back pressure, and can be controlled via Bluetooth for Sport or Sport Plus auditory response.